Hello everyone and welcome to our classroom. This video is to show you how to navigate through our classroom so that you can be successful during our distance learning program. If you can see this video, you have been successfully added to our class, and I will show you now how to find all the materials you'll need. The first thing you have is our stream. When you see our stream, you will see various announcements from me, including my welcome message, the weekly agenda, your assignment, your materials needed for the class, and your question of the week. I will show you how to navigate and access all materials you will need, and you will follow this process every time you log on. The first thing in our stream is our welcome message. Here you will find the schedule for distance learning for the school, including which days you have specific subjects and office hours. If you click on this document, you will open the Ridge distance learning schedule, and it'll indicate which classes you have on each day and what time I plan to meet for our virtual meetings. I will put an announcement in our stream that announces when we have a virtual meeting and the link for it. It also has my office hours, which would be from 1 to 2 every day if you need help with any assignments for our class. Okay, so let's go back to our stream. I will try to meet with you all once a week, every Thursday from 11 to 11:30 to give you the rundown of the agenda, and you will be able to watch instructive videos like this and access. So for this week, for day 1, you will have your virtual 11 to 11:30 or watch the attached video. The video will show you how to navigate Google Classroom. You will all learn how to answer the question and locate the weekly schedule for assignments. Weekly for assignments will be posted under an announcement that says day 1 with the date. So for example, you would click here and you will get your weekly schedule. Make sure you pay attention to the weekly schedule because it will have your due dates for your assignments, as well as links to those assignments if you need to find the links to those assignments. For this week, your agenda is, and then working on your Unit 3 important court cases notes. They are assigned today, and they will be due on Monday by 11:59. So I put week 1 and week 2 here. You can see your due date, court case notes, due April 20th. How do you access your assignments? So if you go back to our stream, you will see here that I posted an assignment. It says new assignment. Important court case notes. This is where you will click to get your notes that you will need to fill out. So you would click here and your assignment will pull up and it'll show you the important court case notes. Now, to find the PowerPoint presentation and recorded lesson, you would go here where it says materials and you would click on the new material. And you will find the PowerPoint there and a video link that goes through the PowerPoint where you can then fill out your notes. The notes and videos will also, the video will also be attached to this once it's completed. Answer your question of the day. You would click this and then answer. Another way to access your classwork is if you go to the classwork tab. You click on your classwork tab and it kind of organizes everything for you. Here it says warm up on the warm-up question, and you would answer it. Make sure you hit submit to turn in your response. Yes, I am grading your responses, so be respectful and answer each week. Here's also where you will find your materials. You will find the PowerPoint presentation here for you to answer the questions in your the notes for your court cases. Once you have completed all of your work, you hit the submit button. I don't have a submit button as I have teacher access, but you have a submit button. If you do not hit submit or turn in, I will not be able to grade your notes and assignments. If you have any questions of how to access your materials, please contact me either via email or you can simply leave a question for me in the stream. So make sure you've accessed this video, play around with Google Classroom, answer your weekly question, and get started on your notes.